All right, here with Chun from Visiontif at the Collision Conference with the York Region booth to chat about the company and your experiences here at the show. First of all, how are you?
Yeah, very good. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. And thank you for carving out some time to chat with us and our viewers about your company. So tell us, what is Visiontif?
Visiontif, we are developing an affordable AI vision assistant for the blind and visual impaired to have a much better quality of life.
Okay, so is this like a wearable device that has cameras, sensors?
Yes. Basically, it's a wearable camera and hooked on a very smart, good-looking device. And then the people, they just carry around. It tell you what in front of you. And important, it can also play a game with the family member, like rock, paper, scissors, poker card, and dice game. Yeah.
All right, so it's got a camera and it obviously tells you verbally what you're seeing.
Yes,
There's an audible instructions on what it's seeing. And it can be used for games to connect, have a connection with the family, but also I'm sure many other applications while you're walking around the city. It'll tell you what's in front of you, is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. It comes with the GPS guidance. So basically the user can guide the user to walk from point A to point B.
Yeah. So I've seen some similar technologies like the Humane AI pin. Is this similar? And if so, what would make the Visiontif solution unique?
Yeah, basically there's already a lot of a device available, but the costs are prohibitively expensive, right?
Good point.
Yeah, so we are making it affordable. We want to make it less than $1,000, make it truly affordable for the blind people, because nobody wants to lose their vision. It happened. Then what can you do? I mean, nobody can have a $6,000 or whatever to buy the device, right? We make it cheaper, it can help more people.
You're based in York Region, is that right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Whereabouts?
We are with the ventureLAB and also YSpace. They provide a really great mentor and for us to learn from them.
Fantastic. Finally, what are you looking to achieve here at Collision Conference?
We want to connect with more individuals and also the corporation and to get the support from them. For example, the Microsoft.
Oh, great. And can you tell us if there's a website we could visit to learn more about Visiontif?
Yeah. Our website is visiontif.com, visiontif.com.
Chun, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Thanks.